so lonely.
Nope. Ugh. Another horror game at 2:38 in the morning. Why Skull Prime? Why? You just did a Minecraft horror. Oh. Okay. Jeez. This isn't gonna be nice to me. Is it? That's it. New game. Jesus Christ. That wheelchair just moved, bro. Casual, then survival. Oh my gosh. Yo. But before we get into this video, guys, I will like you, or before we get into this video, viewer discretion advised. We are gonna be playing a very bad game.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Hey.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off the case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
Half a dozen? Okay.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Yeah, that's giving me the
You think there's a
creeps.
connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem with Shimon on the Beacon Memorial.
Is the
Okay.
God damn it. Jesus.
Bruh, I'm good. But man, I don't know if I said this. I'm Skull Prime. And if you guys would like to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will be more than glad, because we are doing lots of horror things on this episode, and I'm gonna cry. Yeah, no, I'm good, bro. I'm good, Chief. I'm good.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Oh, heck no. Heck no. That is a asylum. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Chapter 1, an emergency call. There's also a second game of this, so this is gonna turn into a series, guys. Every dude's door is open. There's an ambulance here. And we're going inside. How dumb are we? How dumb am I? Honestly, though. Like, how dumb am I? Well, they're coming together. Yo, bro, I'm good.
Smells like blood.
All right. Stay sharp. We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
It can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Bro, what happened here? I'm getting chills.
Did you hear something?
Don't leave me here.
Someone alive in here.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real.
What's that?
Impossible. Ruvik.
What is that?
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
My feet. Oh, they're opening fire.
What the hell?
Bruh. Oh. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh, that's mouse so dang. Oh, we are hanging upside down. No, please don't hurt me, please. Like, please don't hurt us. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing with that? Oh my god. Oh, I don't like this. Why do I have to play this crap? I don't like this crap. I'll be a sneak. Okay. Oh, oh, dang. And my room has to be red. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's horrible. Yo, I'm getting chills just with thinking of this. on, man. Bruh, he just killed me, bro. My thing has to be red every time, bro. Let's take our time here. Ordinary keys. A key ring found in the mental hospital basement. These were in use long before the hospital's modern security system was put in. Oh, dang, bro. Bro, why? Why can't I get past that part? I stabbed him in the back of the head and my thing has to be red. Oh no. Frick. Remember, I already have bad luck. Was that my partner? Shit. Yo, bro. Run, run, run as fast as you possibly can, bro. Bruh. Bruh. Oh, oh, not Oh. Oh, this is disgusting. I am badly, badly injured. You chainsawed my leg. How do you heal from that? Yo, is this a dead person?
Where's the exit?
Old note from sewer. Beside the locked gate at the far end of the sewer, there is a ladder which would take you to the old ward. If you can make it through there, you would find an elevator leading outside. You would be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. R. Sit down or something. This thing is basically useless. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. Why do I always think like these are a good idea? Why do I always think that these are a good idea? This game is literally unfair to me. This game is very, very unfair. I have nightmares already. I'm have nightmares all night tonight. Because in the last video I did Poppy Playtime, I said that video games I get terrified. No, but horror movies, just yes. Horror games, no. Horror movies, yes. Oh, look. Boiler room note? Oh my gosh. Okay. 13 STEM system operation test begins. Oh, this is military time. I don't know how to read military time. I'm gonna have a 13-15 success. I'm gonna confirmation of brainwave synchronization losses minimal. On continuing experiment, agent collects the data. 1330 anomaly occurs not with the subject. The sten- the stenographer claimed them they weren't feeling well and then fell into a coma for reasons unknown. Doctors doctor orders the STEM system terminated. 13:45 staff begin complaining of nausea and falling unconscious one after another. Those who can still move plan their escape from the hospital, but are unknown reasons are unable to. Okay. Through the STEM system should have been deactivated. Subjects maintained brainwave synchronization with the host. 14 that man appeared. Okay. Okay, bud. Okay. That man. Who is that man? Oh, that guy who cut us up. That man who cut us up. Hey, why do I need a checkpoint, huh? This makes it so much harder to move. Okay. Viewer discretion advised. Yo. Yo, I'm trying
Better
to.
hide.
Yo. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like. Stop, please stop. Stop, please. Please stop, 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 please stop. You need a freaking like chill. You need a like chill, dude. Bruh, you need a chill, bruh. Bruh. I can see not really much at all. Bro, you need to chill over here, bro. I don't like you. You gonna keep me in this locker, or are you gonna chill out? And yeah. You need like freaking chill, dude. Just stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please, 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 please stop. You just need to like chill, dude. Oh my gosh. No, he's making me gag. You know, this game is fun. This game is fun. If I leave this locker, he's just gonna kill me. You need to like chill, dude. You need to like chill. You need to maybe calm down, like calm down, and you need to take a breath mint. Maybe take a shower. Maybe put on some on some deodorant on some deodorant, and maybe shave your beard. Yes, I'm still connected. Maybe shave your beard and get him a wash off all the blood off you. All right. I am out. I am out. You need to take a shower, bruh. You need to brush your teeth. You need to take a shower. You just need dental hygiene. And you need to pawn that chainsaw. Ugh. I'm gonna lose either way. Chill, bro. You need to chill, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't like this. Oh. Ugh. What makes it worse is that I decided to do this close to 3 a.m. What time is it now? It is 3:06 in a.m. It is 3:06 a.m. Which means it's the devil's hour. It's the devil's hour. Frick you, bro. No, why is it making a sound? You know, I get very scared at 3 a.m.s. Oh, for the weak and fearful. That's me. Auto aiming enabled by default and slightly more ammo than normal. I'm out. I'm out. No, he's coming. No, bro, he's coming. I'm gonna die. Stay right here. Oh, guys, I'm running out of time here. So if you guys do enjoy this video, and you guys do want to see me do more, like maybe live or with friends, let me know. Let me know, guys. And if you do guys want to to subscribe to my channel and leave a like, please do, please do. It'll help me out a ton with this. And you could just hear him in the other room. I'm not doing this crap. But thank you so much, guys, for 50 subscribers. It really means a lot. And I'll be in a new video here soon. I'm gonna have crippling I'm in depression. See you guys later.